You know what it smells like? A good day for an off-meta build. Hey boys, it's me. 76 kilograms of white privilege. Coming at you, not live today, but pre-recorded. This is going to be a off-meta build, as I usually do around the place. So this is a Blizzard Barbarian, or a male sorceress, or a shitty concentrate barb. But whatever you identify as, boys, that's fine. We're in this day and age. We're really accepting to whatever you identify as. So, a little bit about the build is we're going to be basing it around this, which is Nord's Tenderizer. So, some of you may not recognize this, but it's a cute little Truncheon, which has a very high cold damage, has freeze target, cold absorb, and it has the highest charges for Blizzard, so that's why I picked it. So level 16 Blizzard, but only 12 charges. But boys, look at this. I just so happen to have 7 perfect Nord Tenderizers down here with 12 out of 12 Blizzard charges. Oh my god, like, that's so convenient. This is made on Hero Editor, by the way, for those idiots who didn't realize. So we're going to be using this, amping up as much cold damage as we can from Blizzard, while teleporting around and smacking boys with Concentrate, dealing as much cold damage as we can. Let's have fun. Hello. The lads probably know how it goes from here. Stats, skills, gear, see what goals he's doing, and then we'll slap some boys. So, Barbarian's level 86, Concentrate's looking pretty decent. Strength and Dexterity, we didn't really have to put anything in these, which is nice with our gear setup. So we've got most of our stuff kind of decked out in Vitality, and as you guys are probably familiar with Barbarians, you don't need to worry too much on the Resistances front. With advanced stats, we have 70 FCR, which is pretty decent, so that's over 63. If we want, we can switch when teleporting around at 110, which is just over the 105 breakpoint. For those who are not familiar, the Barbarian faster cast rate frames are the same as a Sorceress. So, this is a male Sorceress. It's on theme. Hey, you putting 2 and 2 together now? Hey, good on you. So, down the bottom, we've got plus 45% to cold skill damage and minus 30 to enemy cold res. Not quest, skills. That's a bit loud, isn't it? Bash is maxed out along with Concentrate. So, that kind of goes to show we're maxing out synergies for Concentrate. So we're ignoring the Berserk because we don't need the magic coverage since we've got cold, right? So we're going to be maxing out Battle Orders, which is the other synergy, which is 10% damage per level. My god, that was a good change. So War Cries, maxing out Battle Orders, as you can see. And then 1-point wonders down here. I don't worry too much about Grim Ward and Battle Cry. I just did it for like some initial testing, but you don't really need it. Mace Mastery is maxed out since we're using a mace. And then the others, we got 1-point wonders, and then these 3 for no apparent reason, and I couldn't be bothered respecking. So over to the Mercenary, real quick, we got Andariel's Fortitude and Infini, and he's rocking Might. We don't need the attack rating, we might as well benefit from more physical damage. But on the topic of dealing damage, here is the gear. We got Nord's Tenderizer, big slapper, 493 cold damage. Love it. We're going to be using that with Blizzard to kind of freeze everything. Smack boys, teleport around, easy peasy. Fun times. So we've got Night Wings, more cold damage. We've got 220 Barb Amulet, so that's going to help us reach breakpoint so we can teleport around as well as we're casting and doing all of that. We do have a Monarch here, so not quite, the one of the deflecting. So, yeah. I couldn't be bothered making that in Hero Editor, boys, so I just, chucked 1580 there, which works pretty well. But bear in mind, we do have all our cold percent skill damage on all of our bits of gear, but each of the facets has cold damage too. So as you can see, 152 here, 38 here, and we've got another facet in here, which adds to the total up to 493. So it all adds up, boys. We have Enigma and a Mage Plate. We have Trangs here, cold res, nice. Ravenfrost has cold damage too. Oh, we have Arachnid Mesh, and then we have a cute little ring here with telekinesis charges, which is fun. So it's very on theme for a male sorceress, is it not? Gore Riders here, and down the bottom for the small charms boys, we have just 3 20/20s for life, attack rating, damage, and then your typical Annihilus and your Hellfire Torch. I hope you guys are excited. I'm very excited for this one. I'm very excited to show you how this is going. So where I think we can probably farm today, let's go check out a few places in Act 3, because we don't usually show that. And I do want to do a disgustingly hilarious moat trick Mephisto, as well as do like an Ancient Tunnels run, because I think that's where you typically see like Blizzsorks farming. I think it'd be pretty funny to kind of see that. So on Switch, I have my Hodo boys, so I can get an extra +3 for me and Gulzy. And I also have this cheeky lower res one, boys, with 82 charges. So, we're having a tough time. We can just cast out that. What's the problem? There is no problem. Basically, the moral of the story is, boys, there is no problem with the Blizzard Barbarian. Oh, look at that. And you see that full rejuve there? Hang about. You see that? Woo-hoo-wee! Telekinesis, baby! That's what every single girl wants to see. I'm single, by the way. If there's any girls watching, slide in my DMs. Discord is down below. Also Twitch stream, you can hit me up there, see when I go live, I don't know. How about you sub with Prime, and then I can take you out for coffee and basically give you that $5 back. Does that sound like a plan? Gross, to be honest. No, what happened to the sound there? Hello, look at this. Is it just me or am I dropping frames? I'm going to blame the Hydras for that. Oh, is that physical? Physical and fire immune? Ah, stone skin. Look at that. Well, not too bad, boys. Hey, if I say so myself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have a cheeky chat with Ormus, hey? And then I think we can go see Mephisto, see what he's up to. We'll do that. We'll do that. And we'll do this. I did forget to use lower res on the council. But that's okay, because we can save our 82 charges and use them on Mephisto. I think that works pretty splendid, don't you, boys? Here we are. Speaking of lower res. Oops, forgot to put charges on. Here we are, Blizzard. Nice. It's just so satisfying to use it. It's great. And with all of the, like, facets and everything that we have, it does somewhat viable damage, where I can somewhat justify it, you know? 630. It's bloody brilliant. You also do enough physical damage as well to cover, so it is a bit of a split, which is always nice. So over here, let's start the moat trick. Hey, lads. If Mephi wants to play. Come on, bro. Alright, here we are. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Here we are. Oh, better switch to low res first. There we go. The boy's in for a treat. You're not going to see Cooley drop a video on a Blizzard Barbarian, are you? Exactly why you should subscribe, boys. I love you, Cooley. I hope you're watching. Okay, that's our first one down. No, that's our second one down. Switch to Blizzard again. Chuck on low res. Make sure he's standing in within conviction range as well, if you guys want to try this at home. Low res. Here we are. Oh, absolutely brilliant. Alright, let's finish him off. Ooh-wee, boys, look at that, eh? Not bad. Not bad. Someone remind me to come back for that Nord Tenderizer, because I want it. Oh, man. Let's go check out Ancient Tunnels, though. Very cool. It's going to be so enjoyable. Running down here, showing you boys what a typical sorceress would run. On a male sorceress. Oh. Here we are. So just again, that's what we're using. 12 charges, so this one has 2. That's okay. We can swap that out. Every time you do swap it out, we do need to, you know, flick over the charges. That's okay. It doesn't bother me because I'm just, I'm built different, boys. I'm goated with the sauce. Or what the kids say, you know? Hey, look at that. I don't have map hack. I just found that. Oh, this is brilliant. Where's the elites at, though? One down here in the corner, surely. Shipped emerald. Love that. Here we go. Let's show some of that cold damage. It's honestly not that bad. For like, this is P1, obviously. Like all my showcases, I make sure I do minimum P1. We are out of Blizzard though, so we're going to swap over. I think last time I was testing, I ran out of charges at this exact spot. This exact tile set. That's kind of funny. Oh yeah, boys. That is what you call the Blizzard Barbarian, the male sorceress. Welcome, boys, for those first seeing my channel and first getting a glimpse of off meta. If you want to see more weird shit, if you want to see more bizarre builds and different uniques being used and things and just, I don't know, straight banter, mate, subscribe for sure, because that's exactly the type of stuff that I like doing. Leave a like, subscribe, and also leave a like as well. Thanks, boys.